This guide will walk you through downloading, installing, and configuring a reference implementation. Note that all values, email addresses, keys, secrets, tokens, and other personal information you might see are for demo purposes only and have been deleted or revoked. Reference implementations provide example code to demonstrate extension app development. Currently, reference implementations are available for the file archive, data I/O, and data verification extension types. These implementations are publicly accessible on GitHub, and the instructions covered in this video can be found within the README file of each corresponding repository. Begin by cloning the repository and storing it in a folder on your machine. Open the cloned repository in your code editor. The files you will be modifying are the example.development.env file and the manifest.json file. Open both files. Then copy the command in the GitHub repository to generate secret keys. You'll need 4 total secret keys. Open the terminal and run the command 4 times. Copy one of the values into the client ID field in the manifest file, and use the same value for the OAuth client ID field in the development file. Copy a different value into the OAuth client secret field, and use that same value for the client secret field in the manifest file. Next, return to your development file and use the remaining 2 values for the authorization code field and the JWT secret key field respectively. Save your changes in both files, then rename example.development.env to just development.env. Next, install dependencies by running the npm install command in the terminal. Start the proxy server by running the command npm run dev. The terminal will return the port the server is running on. Now you'll need to install and configure ngrok. Ngrok is a tool that enables you to create a secure tunnel from the internet to your local computer. Download and install ngrok by following the directions on their website. Set up your auth token by going to your ngrok dashboard and running the command with your auth token at the top of the screen, replacing the your auth token text in the command. Start the tunnel by running the command ngrok http 3000. 3000 is the port the server is running on. Copy the forwarding address provided and paste it into your manifest. You should replace all instances of proxy base URL in your manifest with the forwarding address. Save your changes when you're done. Navigate to the developer console and select New App. Upload your modified manifest from your repository, and then select Validate to check for any errors in the JSON file. If it passes, select Create App. Finally, navigate to the Testing tab of your created app and install the app in your developer account. This concludes the demo on downloading, installing, and configuring a reference implementation. The following videos in this series will walk you through setting up a Maestro workflow for a file archive or data I/O reference implementation, configuring a Docusign template to use a data verification extension app, and testing a reference implementation for each extension type. Thanks for watching.